Hello out there to you. In this video, we've got a graph, cost curve graph from the short run, which is drawn incorrectly. First of all, how do I know it's the short run? It has average variable cost and average total cost and average fixed cost. So that's something you would only do in the short run. Okay, so we've got cost and price on the y-axis, quantity on the x-axis. So what's wrong with this? Well, first of all, the average total cost is equal to average fixed cost plus average variable cost. So you can't ever have a situation where this or this are bigger than this. So this can't be average total cost. And then this can't be average fixed costs. So now we know, and then this can't be average variable cost. We call them cost curves. So the curve that's on the top, that's curving like this is average total cost. And the one that's just below that is the average variable cost. Average variable cost is what moves average total cost, because average fixed cost is what is going to basically decrease, because average fixed cost is the fixed cost divided by the quantity. So as the firm produces a higher level of quantity, the average fixed cost is going to decrease. So average fixed cost isn't even here at all. It's going to look something like this. It looks like a downward L shape like that. So this leaves us with the last one. You can see MC is there. It's marginal cost. This one right here is marginal cost. And something important to note is that marginal cost, you can see it crosses average total cost and average variable cost at both of their minimums. And the reason is because marginal cost is the cost of the next unit. Okay, so if the marginal cost is below either the average variable or average total cost, those are falling. So you can see that here. When marginal cost is below, both of these curves are decreasing. Then eventually they equal. When marginal cost is higher, it's starting to pull up average total cost and also average variable cost. So let's see which of these answers might work here. AFC should be MC. Yes, so that was true. AFC should be MC. ATC should be AFC. No. ATC. And then ABC. AFC isn't even on this in this graph. ATC should be AFC or AVC. This is average variable cost. And then average variable cost should be average total cost. So it's just flipping these two around. It ignores this part, so that's not it either. And then average fixed cost should be MC. ATC should be that, and we should flip that around. So the way the question is phrased, we want everything, so this can't be the answer either, so it would be this answer. So you really got to know your stuff. You got to know what it actually looks like. Notice how I redrew those first, then looked at the answers. It's a good strategy to answer that kind of question.